Afternoon, everyone. Happy Research Day. So, this afternoon, we are going to continue our discussion on how are you going to cascade your preliminaries doon sa Word file. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to writing research in education and business research, you will always be updated. So this afternoon, as what I have told you, no, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ninyo i-cascade ang inyong mga preliminaries doon sa Word file. So ang gagawin natin, we have to open a Word file. Okay, so new document. And then after this, kailangan nating iset ang margin. So let's have 1.0 top and bottom, and then right is also 1.0 and 1.5 doon sa left side. 1.5, lagyan lang natin ng inches sign. Okay. So this time, yung gagawin natin, gagawa tayo ng title page. Okay. So of course, when you are going to make a title page, no, I want you to put the cursor at the center. Huwag ninyong gagamitin ang space bar. Okay. Okay. Customer preferences and satisfaction among the shops in Butuan City. Okay, so dapat this is Arial and then the bold. However, we change the spacing to 1.5. Okay. So, after this one, kayo na yung bahala mag-calculate para magkaroon kayo ng space for the logo of the school. And then here, this is proposal. And then presented to the faculty of the College of Business Administration, then Philippine, yung pangalan ng school, Philippine Electronics and Communication, Philippine Electronics and Communication Institute of Technology, comma, and then incorporated, and then put one City, Philippines. Okay. Impartial fulfillment of the degree, impartial fulfillment of the requirements of the degree. Okay, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Okay, so dito, Marketing Management. Okay, so you are going to put your major here. If you are Operation Management, Marketing Management for Marketing Management. And then the proponents here, for example, Okay, not in all capital letter. Cardo, C. Dalisay, Rowena, E. Avila, Cyril, C. Manabat, Jerome, S. Popot. Okay, so for example, and then after that, you are going to put the month. So the month where the or when the semester will end, and then 2024. So in this case, you will be the one to calculate the spacing here. Ang mahalaga, you could be able to present your title page in this manner. So take note, in the making of your title page, the title should be in an inverted pyramid, and this is no, the maximum number of lines is only three, no, 3 lines. Okay. So after this one, we will proceed to acknowledgement. Okay. Acknowledgement. Of course, in your acknowledgement, you are going to provide an introductory statement, and then the way that you are going to present it, dapat mauna yung pangalan ng tao, and then ang posisyon ng tao sa inyong papel, and the contribution of the person in your paper. Okay, so next we have the dedication. Okay, ang dedication, this is optional. However, if you want to have dedication, you have to make sure that your dedication is not a repeated version of your acknowledgement. Meaning to say, lahat ng mga tao na nandun na sa acknowledgement will not be repeated in your dedication. Kasi kung mangyayari yan, your dedication is only a repetition of your acknowledgement. So, pwedeng meron, pwedeng wala. Next is, of course, no, the table of contents. No? Everything is at the center. The table of content. So don't worry because I have already made a video on how to present your table of contents in a nice way. So I am going to forward, no, the link of how to make your table of contents, and then after this one is your list of tables. List of tables. Okay, in the list of tables, ang inyong gagawin dito, okay, home. Okay, so in your list of tables, okay, all you have to do is to make a table. Insert lang kayo dito. And then dapat tatlo yan. Okay, so dapat single space, no? So let us try to see the paragraph here. Okay, so dapat naka-single space ito. Okay, paragraph, single. Okay, and then, yan. So dito ang table. Okay, not all caps table. And then, ang title ng table. And then, of course, the page. Okay. So, here, kailangan merong malaking space ang table kasi you are going to input the title. So, here you will say table 1. No? And then put the title and then table 2. Okay, so para mawala ito, ang inyong gagawin lang ay go to the border and then no border. So next is our list of figures. No? So dito tayo sa list of figures. Paste. And then, Palitan lang natin siya ng figures. And then, from table, okay, palitan natin siya ng figure. Okay. Figure. And then after this one, of course, the list of acronyms. Ito yung list of acronyms. So, yung tables, palitan natin ng acronyms. Okay. So, and then, of course, no, wala na ito. Wala na to. Kailangan, okay. So, dito, for example, andito yung DSWD. So, kailangan, dapat naka-justify yan. So, Department of Social Welfare and Development. Okay. So, pero dapat hindi siya bold. And then, okay, for example, PECIT. Okay, so ano yung PECIT? Dapat naka-justify ha, ang format. Hindi rin siya bold. So, Philippine Electronics and Communication Institute of Technology. Okay, basta hindi siya bold. Okay, so yan. So, ang list of acronyms dapat, it will be arranged in an alphabetical order. So, ang wala dito ay yung approval sheet and abstract. Kasi yung approval sheet and abstract will be done pagkatapos na ng gagawing pananaliksik. So, ganito lang po siya, kung paano ninyo gagawin ang inyong preliminary pages. So, meaning to say, when we talk about preliminary pages, these are the pages, these are the pages before chapter 1. Okay, so yung gagawin natin, insert na lang tayo ng page. Okay, insert, and then page number. And then dito, dapat nasa bottom siya, and then nasa center. Okay. So, dapat i-format natin kasi ang preliminary pages are small Roman numerals. And then, start at 1. Okay. And then, okay. So, if you try to look at it, meron na siyang pages. So, gagawin na lang natin, we have to change the, okay. So, dapat Arial 12 din ito. Arial 12. Okay. So, however, in the title page, this is automatic. So, yung gagawin natin, dapat hindi maka-reflect dyan ang page. So, insert lang tayo ng text box. And then, format shape. Pagkatapos, click the line and then no line. So, tingnan ninyo, it's magic. Nawala na yung Roman numeral 1. However, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so nandun sa baba, So, sa preliminary pages, nasa bottom siya at the center. So, this is how are you going to present your preliminary pages. So, next video will be on how are you going to cascade your chapter 1. Okay, para you could be able to present this in a scholarly output. So, thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone and stay safe.